What you see when you walk out the front door? I see some chickens doing Cajun stuff, man. Hell yeah, them Cajun guineas. They eating crawfish. It makes them spicy later on when you eat them. Yeah, it makes them spicy eggs. Ha ha, yeah. Eat that crawfish. Eat them banana man, a faux fana. Feet 5 faux fana. Bananas. What's up, pimps? What's up, pimp skinny? What you talking about, Willis? Y'all got some Wawa in the Owa? Y'all need some Wawa? Yeah. Y'all some water drinking Fulio, for Rulio, for Shulio. Yeah, I know what y'all want. Y'all want some Wawa and some food. Alright, let me set y'all up with some Wawa foo-foo. Some foo-foo fighters. Some woo-woo whiter. See if I can get this on. Baby. Get the king, get the king, get some.